Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we walk through the official syllabus for the Cisco exam, introducing Cisco data center networking so you know exactly what to study and why each topic matters. Overview of the exam structure and weights. Domain 2.0 Basic Data Center Networking Concepts is 23%. Domain 3.0 Advanced Data Center Networking Concepts is 23%. Domain 5.0 Advanced Data Center Storage is 22%. Domain 4.0 Basic Data Center Storage is 17%, and Domain 1.0 Data Center Physical Infrastructure is 15%. Each domain lists difficulty, estimated learning hours, and the assessment type so you can plan hands-on practice and conceptual study time. Domain 2.0 Basic Data Center Networking Concepts is weighted at 23% and rated medium with about 25 hours of study and hands-on plus conceptual assessment. You will learn foundational networking principles within the Cisco Nexus switching environment, including the Cisco data center network architecture and how to compare top-of-rack and end-of-row designs. Expect to study 3-tier and leaf-spine architectures, fabric path, physical versus virtual switching, Ethernet properties, VLAN implementation on Nexus, spanning tree operation, port types, link aggregation, and VPC benefits. Domain 3.0 Advanced Data Center Networking Concepts also carries 23% and is rated hard with about 30 hours of study and both hands-on and conceptual assessment. This domain focuses on advanced routing protocols, IP services, and Nexus-specific operating system features, so you will learn IPv4 and IPv6 addressing and subnetting along with OSPF basics for data centers. You will practice configuring and verifying first-hop redundancy protocols like HSRP and VRRP, understand multicast fundamentals, and master NXOS operations including comparisons to iOS, process monitoring, VDCs and VRFs, checkpoint and rollback, and routine operational tasks on Nexus switches. Domain 5.0 Advanced Data Center Storage is 22% and rated hard with about 28 hours of study and hands-on plus conceptual assessment. The emphasis is on fiber channel services, FCOA, and converged unified fabric, so you will learn the fiber channel domain and login processes, the name server and fabric controller role, and how NPV and NPIV operate in storage networking. You will also cover fiber channel zoning, VSANs, the characteristics of FCOA, the FCOA initialization protocol, data center bridging enhancements, FCOA VLANs and virtual fiber channel, and the hardware requirements for FCOA support. Domain 4.0 Basic Data Center Storage is 17% and rated medium with about 15 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. This domain covers fundamental storage protocols, connectivity methods, and hardware components so you will learn the difference between SAN and NAS and the operation of SCSI and ISCSI. You will study fiber channel physical components, compare block and file storage solutions, and identify disk drive types and RAID levels to understand practical storage choices in a data center. Domain 1.0 Data Center Physical Infrastructure is 15% and rated easy with about 10 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. The focus is on environmental controls, cabling standards, and physical hardware requirements, so you will learn about power redundancy and UPS, cooling needs and airflow management, and environmental monitoring for hardware. You will also review copper and fiber cable types, transceiver and connector specifications such as SFP and QSFP, and the practical implications of physical infrastructure on uptime and performance. To wrap up, use the domain weights and estimated learning hours to build a study plan that balances hands-on labs with conceptual reading. Focus first on medium and hard domains with practical lab time on Nexus switches, NXOS, and storage fabrics. Review the physical infrastructure fundamentals, and revisit weaker topics before the exam for a confident finish.